Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Mercury Bank account. First, open your browser and search for Mercury Bank and head to their official homepage. The process is very straightforward. Right on the main page, you'll see a field to enter your email. Type in your email address and click to the Open Account button. To start a new application, you'll first be asked to enter your first name and last name. Once you have done that, click in Start Application. Next, you will need to provide your work email address and create a secure password. Once you have filled that out, click in Next. From this point on, you simply need to follow the on-screen prompts to fill in all the required details about your company and business operations. Once you have completed and submit all your company information, Mercury will review your application. All you have to do then is wait for them to approve your new account.